Hi there. Welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, please hit that like button. I need those likes if you would, please. And if you like what you see, let me know what you think as well. Pass this on as you see fit. Tonight, Cooking with Pouncy is going to do some French toast for dinner. Very, very quick meal, okay? So I'm going to lower the camera down here for you guys, and I'm going to show you how Cooking with Pouncy puts this French toast together. You don't have to have a big fancy grill to do this toast. The little grill I've got, I think I'll show it to you actually. So just a little flat thing, I don't remember where I got it, but it's a little grill that sits right on top of my range top here. So that's what we're going to do this toast with, and it'll hold 4 slices. All right, so I'll be showing you that in just a moment, guys. Many ways to make French toast. I'm sure you probably have your own way as well. So this is probably not anything new to you. So I've got some Texas toast here, and it's Texas toast because it's thicker normally than regular bread, I should say. I'm using white bread as well. So we're going to be using Texas toast then. I've got 7 large eggs in my bowl here. I've got some cinnamon that I'm going to be using. We're going to call this cinnamon toast, okay? I've got a little vanilla right here. I'll be using about a teaspoon of vanilla in these 7 eggs. It'll be spelled out for you in the ingredient list too, guys. So, and I've got some whole milk here. I could have used half and half. I prefer whole milk, and I prefer it over half and half. It's a little richer, okay? So you can use any milk of your choice, but I'm going to use whole milk in this process. This is my little sugar bowl, 1906 sugar bowl. Still works, and I am going to be sprinkling some sugar in here as well, okay? And you'll be seeing that in just a moment. So let's see, I think that's all I got to tell you about. I said the cinnamon, the vanilla, the milk, the sugar, the eggs, and we're going to just start putting that together and whipping it just like I'm going to be making scrambled eggs here, guys. So let's do that. And then in the meantime, I'm going to turn my little grill on here to like a medium. Maybe not that hot. Okay, so I got the thing heating up over there, right? So let's just start shaking stuff in here. I'm going to start whipping my eggs first. You can see that's 7 eggs. And again, it'll be, the quantities will be an ingredient list for you. I'm going to take the sugar, and I'm going to guess a table, 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of sugar. 3, okay? 3 teaspoons of sugar. All right, let's go with our cinnamon here. I want to be generous with the cinnamon because we're calling this cinnamon toast, okay? And you guys do not be afraid of French toast because it's so easy, it's incredible. So here's my ground cinnamon. Just regular ground cinnamon. McCormick's, whatever kind you got, I guess. So let's just shake some cinnamon in here. Be careful, guys, when you do the cinnamon deal because it'll wind up all on the side of your bowl, and you want to really get it incorporated into your mixture there. So keep stirring it. You don't want it to be lumpy in there. You want it all throughout your eggs. And I'm going to guess that's about 3, 4 teaspoons, 5 maybe 6 now. Generous amount. This is going to be cinnamon colored almost here, guys. And you notice I'm still whipping it. Otherwise, I'd have lumps of cinnamon in here. We don't want that. You don't want that, all right? And then that's about the color I want right there. That's about the color. So we're going to call that 3 tablespoons. All right, and that's not going to hurt anything if it's less than that or a little bit more either. All right, you can see the color of that maybe. All right, maybe you can't. All right, I got my sugar in there. Now let's go with a teaspoon of vanilla here, okay? And I'm just ad-libbing here, guys. I'm sure you've got your own method as well. It turns out really good. A teaspoon of vanilla into that mixture. Okay. And one of the other things I didn't tell you, well, that's going to be the top it off here. I've got some powdered sugar. I don't need any more sugar, but I'll sprinkle some powdered sugar on there. So I've got that. Now we're going to go with our milk because all we've got in there now is eggs and the sugar and the vanilla, right? I think I shook this, I believe. And this is, again, whole milk, guys, all right? You can use whatever milk of your choice if you want. Half and half, skim milk, whatever, okay? And again, this is going to be by sight here because Cooking with Pouncy has done this many times. So I'm going to guesstimate here. Let's go with, like, say, maybe a half a cup. for now, okay? Let's call that a half a cup. And I'm doing it by sight, guys, like I said, okay? I've got 6 slices of Texas toast, and I think this mix is going to be enough to absorb all the bread I've got going over here, and I think I'm going to leave it go at that, right? So, and I have to confess, there's 2 other ingredients that I was told that if I ever disclose what those 2 are, I would be banned from my own house, so I'm not going to do that part. But we're just, guys, I'm continually stirring it here to ensure that cinnamon and the egg don't separate. It might not be that bad a process. All right, I'm going to saturate my bread. Let's see here now. And I'm going to be using another slice here. I grabbed it with my mitt, but that's okay. And let's just go ahead and put these on. They're searing a little bit. I'm going to turn it up a little bit too here. Okay. I'm saturating the bread. Getting all soggy, which is what you want as well. And you hear that little sizzle. And I think I can get 4 of these on here, so that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to turn this down. I don't want it up too high. I don't want to get them too brown too fast. We want that egg to cook. So here we go again. And here goes the last one. Okay. Okay. All right, we're going to let that go for now. Make sure I don't get it too hot. We don't want it to get too brown. We want those eggs to get done, like I said. And it's not a big deal, guys. This don't take long at all, as you probably know already. And got my little pan. It's the first time I've used this little grill range top, whatever you call it. I think it's going to be fine, though, okay? I think it's going to be fine. Not ready to flip yet. That's telling me that my syrup, I got 2 different, I got an agave thing there. My wife likes that. And I got some pure maple syrup in my little ramekin. And that's what the buzzer was all about. My plates were heated. This is heated. The dinner plates that we're going to eat this on is also heated. I'm going to flip now, guys. What happens is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful, okay? There goes the other one. There it goes. I got it at the exact temperature I needed it too, guys, because again, I don't want to rush it cooking because you want that egg to cook as well. All right. Down to whatever depth it might have gone into the bread. And so let's just, something tells me not to flip that one yet. That's from experience, guys, from cooking with Pouncy, okay? Don't they look good, guys? I'm just telling you. They look good. Totally unassociated with the video is something I've got over here, which is the meat portion of this meal. You don't need to see me cooking sausage, which is what this is over here. So that's it for that. We're going to turn that one piece of toast over now, guys. This one right here. Okay. This one here is ready, I can tell by looking at it. So let's just take that one off, this one here, because I know it's ready. I can tell by the looks of it. And here's what we're going to do now, because I know I've got enough fat on there. I'm actually using butter on there. I'm going to just go ahead and put another one on there, guys. And without even putting my other glove on to handle this, but that's okay too, guys. All right, so we're going to do that. Notice I'm doing this so the raw egg won't hit the other one. That's how Cooking with Pouncy does it, guys. All right, I'm going to start taking this one off because that's ready as well. And this platter's hot, like I said. It's very hot. And I'm going to put the other one right here. So now I'll have to bring my bowl over here. I'm okay too now, guys, with the fat deal. I've got some around here, and I'm going to be rolling this around. This is a non-stick pan as well. And we're done. I have some more left. I probably could do 2 more, but we're going to call that enough, all right? And that's what we're going to do. This is all done as well. This one's all done as well. And again, there's some fat right here. We're going to put that right there. And that's what helps it brown as well, guys. All right? That one's going to go right back there. This is ready as well. Pretty good stuff, guys. There they are right there. Now, the next time you see this, guys, it'll be plated for a presentation for you. But here is the, and I got to be careful because that is hot. Here's the presentation for the, let me get another mitt here. Here's the presentation just for the, what happened here. That is hot, guys. That looks very, very good, okay? So I'm going to set it in the oven for just a moment. The oven's at 175, and that was how I hit my, what the temperature I heated my plates with as well, guys. So I'm going to just set this in the oven so it'll stay nice and hot before the presentation. So that's going in the oven right now at 175. And again, next time you see this process, it'll be, look at that one, guys. It'll be plated up for presentation, guys, all right? Here's that beautiful presentation, guys. And again, you saw it was real time on the toast, 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. I got some sausage on each one of the plates here. I've got a wonderful, beautiful, scrumptious fruit tray that I made. And I'm going to be putting some of this fruit on these plates as well. And as you can see, and I'm peering down at the camera here, I think you can see that. There you have it. Okay, so we're going to be having this for supper tonight, guys. And my plates are hot. I just took those out of the oven before I started plating this stuff up. I think I told you that already as well. Cooking with Pouncy always heats his plates, guys. And you can heat yours as well. And make the heat last longer while you're eating it. Okay. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy, guys. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. Tell me what you think as well. And we're going to be having this for supper, as I indicated. Pass this on as you see fit, guys, okay? It's going to be scrumptious. Doesn't it look scrumptious? So that's the deal, guys. We'll see you next time. Thank you again for tuning in. Cooking with Pouncy.